Today we are going to do a fishtail braid. What you want to do is just take the hair and split it into 2 equal parts. And you're going to be mainly holding them. You're going to take your outer fingers, take a section from one, and hold it, and you're going to put it into the second side. You do the same on each side. So I'm taking an outer piece and flipping it to the next side. And then you just keep going. So I'm always going to be holding those 2 pieces separate, taking my outer finger, splitting a small section, and putting it into the center of that other piece. Now the smaller pieces that you make, the more intricate the braid's going to be, and the longer it is going to take to make. So sometimes, depending upon how much time I have, I will do bigger pieces. If I've got extra time, I will do smaller pieces. So as you can see, we are making the fish tail, and I will keep going down to the bottom. You always want to keep a lot of tension so that you can see what's going on. If you have it too loose, then it will fall apart on you. So taking the outer piece, flipping it into the other side. You can see it looks really good here. It's really easy if you do this with wet hair. We just got out of the shower, so our hair is tangle-free, completely wet. So it's always just easier to have the hair wet when you're doing an intricate braid. That piece is probably too big, so I'm going to come back and get a smaller piece. You know, you will have variation. So up here we started kind of small. I'm just trying to rush through to give you an idea. So down here you will see thicker pieces. You know, ideally you want to take your time and try and get the same size pieces each time you flip it to the other side. Almost done here. It's nice because it's something different than a traditional braid. Doesn't take that much longer to do. And we definitely get lots of compliments. So here we are starting to kind of have some pretty short pieces. So I might end the braid pretty soon. Just depends on if you have layers in your hair. Sometimes you have to you won't be able to go down as far. So we're pretty much at the end here, as far as I could go. And I will tie it off with a ponytail in just a second. You also, we're starting to kind of get a lot of hairs that aren't getting tucked in, so I'm going to end the braid there. And what you can do as a beginner, I always started off with doing a pony up here, and that would give you, you know, just a little bit easier. But as you learn how to do it, and then what you can do is kind of loosen it up. And there's our fishtail braid. I hope you like this video.